Which of the following answers refers to a display technology most commonly used in modern laptops? Well, for questions like this, where it's asking, hey, what's in a laptop? Think small. Laptops are super thin. Take my MacBook Pro, for example. Look at how thin that is. It's like thinner than my nose, y'all. Girlfriend says I have a huge nose, though, so I guess that's not saying a lot, but they're so thin, okay? So you're gonna be wanting to think small. SSDs type stuff, maybe some hard drives, but everything's super compact. SODIMMs, all that stuff, small electronics on your main board of your laptop. Anyways, let's move away from the main board. Let's talk about the screen. What kind of screen display technology will be used? We know not a projector, because that projects. We have CRT and plasma. CRT and plasma we're ruling out right away because these are super old and super bulky display technologies. So we're left with LCD and OLED. Gosh, I hope laptops, all laptops, bring down the price of OLED because OLED looks great, but it's a more high-end feature. And when it says, which of the following refers to display technology most commonly used in modern laptops, most commonly used is an LCD. LCD stands for liquid crystal display. It's a type of display technology and it uses liquid crystals to display an image. If you've ever cracked a screen that's LCD, you might see like the crystals bleeding. That's happened to me before. Just know, there's liquid crystals, there's liquid modulation with how the crystals are aligning, and then there's pixels behind that, and then it's backlit. So a lot of technology, but that is what's most commonly used in laptop displays.